Welcome to our documentary AI Tools to Make Videos, Transforming Ideas into Reality. Artificial intelligence in video creation uses machine learning to automate editing, generate visuals, and enhance storytelling like never before. From Runway ML to Pika Labs and Filmora, AI editing tools cut, trim, and enhance videos effortlessly, saving you hours of work. With tools like Pika Labs, Sora, and Synthesia, simple text can instantly transform into full cinematic videos. 11 Labs, Muff, Labo, and many other AI tools provide lifelike AI voiceovers in multiple languages, giving your videos a global reach. AI avatars, created with tools like Synthesia and HeyGen, bring digital presenters to life for your projects. With Remove.bg and on-screen, you can change video backgrounds instantly, no green screen required. Caber and Deep Motion animate still images into moving videos, breathing life into your static visuals. Capwing and VideoEditing generates subtitles automatically, making your videos accessible and engaging. AIVideo, SoundRaw, and BeatEvan create background music tailored perfectly to your video's mood. Transform your photos into cinematic videos with Caber or Runway ML, turning memories into moving stories. AI helps you plan with auto-generated storyboards and scripts, making video projects easier from the start. DeepFaceLab and Reface can swap faces or create deepfakes, powerful tools that must be used responsibly. AI adjusts lighting, shadows, and colors automatically, giving your videos a professional finish. AI enhances old, low-resolution videos, upgrading them into stunning HD or even 4K quality. With ChatGPT, you can generate scripts, dialogues, and ideas. Every great video begins with a story. AI generates unique stock videos, perfect for when real footage is hard to find. AI resizes, crops, and optimizes your videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. The future of filmmaking will be faster, smarter, and more creative, powered by human imagination and AI. AI isn't replacing creators. It's empowering them to bring ideas to life. Together, AI and humans make creativity limitless. At last, AI tools giving you the freedom to do your work fast, no more headaches, and beautifully.